I've offered every website service imaginable, but it wasn't until I stumbled across these 5 that I was able to cross $21,000 per month in my business. And the crazy thing is, no one talks about this. Everyone has the same, I'll build you a new website pitch. Yes, you can make great money building websites for clients, but the real money is by offering multiple services so you're able to make more with each client. And once you understand this, you'll never be confused about what you can offer, what actually helps the client, and how much you should charge. The first service is a custom website build out. You charge anywhere from $4,000 to $6,000 and you collect half upfront and half upon completion. This probably takes you anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks, and you can build this out in any way, WordPress, Webflow, or any other tool that you choose. The big thing is to customize it exactly how your clients want, and you build it out specific to them. And if you can't build these custom websites, go to a website like Upwork and you could type in WordPress expert, Webflow expert, anything that you want, and find a good contractor that has a high job success score and preferably has earned a lot of money. So this is someone that you can trust. This should cost you anywhere from $300 to $1,000 to get this website built. So to be clear, you are charging $5,000 to the client, you're outsourcing the work for $1,000, and then you're collecting the $4,000 in between as profit. Now, one of the best ways that I have seen to actually get clients is going over to Google Maps. I typed in landscaping Las Vegas, and then just scrolling down and finding people that don't have websites but have a lot of reviews. And by the way, this is in Portuguese, so you can ignore that. I'm in Brazil right now, so all my settings are messed up. But this is a business that has a lot of reviews and has no website. And you can scroll down and see many of these. Here's another one. And then there's also tools that you can download that will actually go in and scrape all of these businesses for you. And once you pick one of these businesses, you can send them this message right here if they don't have a website. Hey, are you still open? Try to look up your website to see reviews when searching for a landscaper, roofer, plumber in your city in Las Vegas, but couldn't find one. This is a bit random. I decided to build you one. And if they do have an existing website, you can send them this message right here. Has existing website. Hey, are you still open? I found a couple things broken on your URL. You can paste in the website URL. When I was searching for roofer or landscaper, plumber in whatever city in Las Vegas, I actually fixed it for you, rebuilt a few things. Would you even want to see it? Let me know. Sending these kinds of messages is exactly why I have time and location freedom and why I'm able to travel to all these exotic locations. And this is why some web designers constantly get stuck in a rat race of project after project, and they're always busy, and others build a real business with other people helping them deliver those services, all while the business keeps on growing and making more money every single month. Next website service that you can offer is called the Website in a Day package. And I'll be honest, not every client that you reach out to can afford $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 for a website. It's just too expensive for them. So what I want you to do is create a second package and call it just that, Website in a Day, because clients love that name. So next, you can go over to this tool right here. It's called free GoHighLevel.com, and you can put your logo up top here at the left so it looks like it's your software. They give you a free 30-day trial so you can even see if you like it, but we keep all of our clients' websites inside here under sites and websites. And by doing that, we're actually able to charge way more per client. I'll explain why in a second. And all you're going to do is go under where it says new website, select from templates, and now you have unlimited industries here and website templates that you can actually pull from. We also have custom websites that we built right here that, in my opinion, just look a little bit nicer than some of these templates, and I give away all those for free as well. So after you import the website, it's going to look like this on the back end. You can hit edit, and then you can replace the logo, phone number, email, and address, all like this. Now, for the content, what you can do is highlight it, hover over this AI section right here, and you can generate content for every single block using AI. You can also use ChatGPT if you'd like. So this whole website should be built in 30 minutes. And you can charge as little or as much as you'd like for this template. I found the sweet spot to be $150 per month. I've also seen other people inside of my community charge upfront fees, $500 upfront, $700 upfront, and then they stay on the $150 per month plan. And I know this isn't life-changing money, but if it takes you 30 minutes or an hour to get this built for a client, and that client stays on and pays you that $150 per month for a long time, which they always do because it's so cheap, that is additional recurring income where even if you have 10 clients, that's an extra $1,500 per month. That could be your car payment. That could be your rent or apartment payment. And you've already delivered all of the services. So this becomes like a utility bill for your client, and they're not paying you to do something else for them. Next, you want to have a website optimization package. And this allows you to build a monthly recurring business so you're not always having to rely on signing new clients. Look, I started freelancing in web design in 2017, and since then, I've scoured the internet and tried to look for the best models, the best strategies, and this is what I've encountered to get clients to pay you that gives you the highest return on your time, but also keeps the clients extremely happy and paying for years to come. And let me be clear, we're going to cover a lot of different services here, but you want to relate every service back to money so that the client sees how this actually tangibly benefits him. The first tool is a chat widget. Let me show you a live client. You can see right here, when we installed this chat widget on our client's website, it's made him over $77,000 freaking dollars. Do you think the client is okay with paying us a couple $100 per month? Of course. So let me actually show you what this live chat looks like. You go to your dashboard, you click on sites, and then right here under chat widget, you can create a widget. What we typically do is choose this one right here, SMS and email chat. But if you want to use AI to have conversations for your clients, or you want to integrate it with WhatsApp, you can do that. I'm going to select this one for now. And this is exactly how the live chat looks on the client's website. You can click it. It asks for the name, the mobile phone, email, and message. These are the fields that we collect. And what you can do is go in and style this any way that you want. And you can have it start a message like this. And all it does is text your client. And the client does it all from his cell phone. And to be clear, if we didn't track every single person that came in from the chat widget like this, the client might not have stayed for so long. Next tool is called Missed Call Text Back. All it does is when you have a client that cannot answer the phone because he's a landscaper, he's a roofer, maybe they're a massage therapist, and they're too busy. Instead of it going to voicemail, it's going to automatically text that person that's calling that business. Hey, this is name. This is Bob. This is Susie. I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help? And so now instead of that person calling a competitor or calling someone else, they're going to start texting that business owner, and then they can respond in 30 minutes or an hour, but at least the conversation has started. Very simple, but very effective. Next thing we do for clients is install a review funnel that looks like this. So instead of our clients sending a Google reviews link to their customers, they send a link to this page right here. And all it does is it has their logo at the top and it asks, what would you rate us? If they choose 5 stars, it goes to Google. It allows them to leave a review. If they choose 2 stars, it pulls up a form. Sorry to hear that you're not satisfied. Name, email, your feedback. And most customers, you would be shocked if they have something bad to say, they will type their heart out into this field. But after they do it once, they typically don't go and leave all these reviews on all the different platforms. And all that happens here is it just gets emailed to our client. So they love this and we can help them get more 5-star reviews. So not only are we helping with the website, we're helping with the reputation, and we're also going to help them respond to all those reviews by using this reviews AI section. If you go under reputation, you go under settings, and you want to enable this. And we'll use AI to respond to all their 5-star Google reviews, and it creates amazing messages, and it also helps that Google business page get ranked on Google because it sees how responsive we are and how many reviews we're actually getting. Now, to integrate all of this with your client's website is extremely easy no matter where it's built. If it's built anywhere outside of GoHighLevel, you can just take a piece of code, copy and paste it, and then you're done. And then what it allows you to do is to track everything from the website. Here's how many leads came in from the chat widget. And then what you do is you replace the forms on the website with the GoHighLevel forms, and then it shows you what came in. Hey, we got 155 total leads from the website form. You made over $500,000 from the website. How many years does that pay for your website service fee? Many. And look, I already have a lot of these automations and codes and everything already set up. So if you want to just import all of mine, I have the link in the description. They're completely free. Just use my link to sign up to HighLevel and you'll automatically get them imported into your account. I promise you it's less confusing than it looks. You set this up one time for your clients. And for this package, I recommend you charge $300 per month. And they're happy to keep on paying because this allows them to have a bird's eye view of their entire business and what's happening, where are they getting customers. And so they view that $300 per month expense not as your services, not as something that you're performing, but more like a utility bill, more like a light bill. They're just paying this to keep access to this software that you set up for them. Look, if you want to make $9,000 per month from this business, all you need is 30 clients. That's one client per day. But even if you can't do that or you don't believe that you can sign that many clients, maybe it takes you 6 months. Maybe it takes you a year. Heck, even if it takes you multiple years, would you invest that time to building a business that pays you over $100,000 per year on services that you've already created? So it's monthly recurring revenue. And the maintenance is extremely minimal. So it just keeps coming in semi-passively. Next, let's talk about traffic, getting more website visitors for your clients. That's going to be things like website SEO for organic or paid ads, things like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google ads, to name a few. And remember what we talked about earlier. I'm not saying you have to go out and learn all these services. You can go to a website like Upwork, search up Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads for local businesses like this, and find someone that has earned money that's not crazy expensive that you can partner with, like this person, $800,000 earned, but charges $5 per hour. That's crazy. And there's tons of people like this. You charge $1,000 a month, which is extremely reasonable because we charge $2,000 for services like this. And you can find someone to outsource this service to for $300 a month or even $400 per month. And so you're profiting $500, $600, $700 every month just to outsource this service. And the fifth and final website service that you can offer is to become a full web operator. A website operator is someone that understands all the levers that they can pull in order to make your clients more money. So in this case, if you're building a website like this, a web operator is going to understand the exact words, the copywriting, the sales messages that they need to say in the heading, in the description. They'll know where to place the buttons strategically so that we can extract maximum customers from every person that's viewing this website. It's someone that understands that most clients don't just want a free quote, but instead they want more booked appointments. So maybe after someone clicks on this button, instead of just going to a website form, it goes to a survey, then it goes to a calendar, and then it goes to a thank you page. Because on that calendar, what it allows people to do is book automatic appointments. So now they go to their client, and instead of saying, hey, we have website form submissions, they can now say, we've already booked you appointments. So you can see how much more value that person is adding for that client. And when it comes to advertising, you're not tied to one service. You're not tied to Facebook ads or Instagram or Google ads. In fact, you are working with your client, almost like an outsourced marketing department. And you're okay with trying different things, with testing different things. Hey, we tested this on Facebook. Let's test this on Google ads next. And you're there standing beside them, trying to figure this out with them. So you're doing a lot of thinking, decision making, and you are almost like a partner to them. And this is going to be the highest priced service you could charge. Anything for this, you can charge $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. I've seen other people charge over $10,000 per month for services like this, depending on how big the company and the industry is that they work with. If you want to see a full 5-hour course of me going in depth into a lot of these concepts, you could check out this video next.